Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I'm in a new location. Okay, so I'm in a new space because we moved to LA. So I'm in my LA apartment right now, and I'm really excited. And I have this little Halloween thing going on behind me. I'm going to be filming a holographic skull for you guys today. I tried to film this once, and it's just like the lighting is off. I've been here for like 2 months now. It's just really hard to find the right spot to film. It's just like, where do I go? I don't know. Actually sitting in front of a huge row of windows in an apartment complex, and everybody can see me. It's great. So hello everybody. So yeah, I'm gonna film this video for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. And let's just jump right into this easy, fun Halloween look. To start this look off, I'm gonna be using my Morphe 35B palette. I love this palette. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's perfect for Halloween because it just has like every single color in it. So I love it. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with this ColourPop No Filter Concealer right here. It is in the shade Fair 00. I'm gonna put on Sabrina Claudio or Claudio, or I think it's Sabrina Claudio. I pronounce things so bad, but this is like my favorite song by her right now. It's called Frozen. I love her. Love her. Probably not going to talk a lot during this video, so I'm sorry, but I just need to like get in the mood, you know? Like get in the mood, so. So I'm not going to set my eyes. I don't believe in that. So I'm not gonna set my eyes. I don't believe in setting my eyes when I'm really trying to get a lot of pigment. This is bad, but I'm just gonna tell you guys a secret about me. Am I the only one who like kind of rubs their brushes on their pants? I do that a lot. I'm a mess. Well, I'm in like a really sarcastic mood today, so like watch out for me, okay? So please don't look at my nails. Like my nails don't like nails. Anyways, I'm taking this hot pink shade right, and I'm just gonna place that right in the center of my lid. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here. Basically, I'm going to put this on the outer corner, and then I'm going to keep going back, and I'm not going to show you every time I go back and forth, but I'm just going to go back and forth to blend these two, and you'll see me, I'll like go back to this color, blend a little bit more, go back to this color, blend more, and then so forth until I feel like it's seamless, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna take this purple right here, this like lavender purple. I'm just gonna use this kind of over here, and just to like kind of honestly blend everything together, like up here into the brow bone as well. I'm honestly obsessed with this lavender color.
Honestly, I'm so obsessed with it.
So now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful purple right here. I'm gonna put that in my inner, you know, my inner corner. And I'm just gonna basically do the exact same thing that I did with these two colors. I'm just gonna go from the hot pink to the purple and like go back and forth and blend them all together. So now I'm gonna take that lavender color again and just kind of go all up on there. I'm going to take this NYX white liquid liner, and I'm going to start carving out my like skull. I actually might use this cream makeup. I think I just got this at like Target or something.
We call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back pass. Scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special time. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch.
Now I'm just gonna do some teeth.
Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween,
I'm gonna do the other side, but I'm gonna just do it off camera because it's the exact same thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take this purple right here and I'm just gonna shade in my little things. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of white on my nose as well because I think that will look nice. Now I'm gonna just take like a big brush and I'm gonna take that hot pink and I'm just gonna kind of start putting it right here. Just taking basically all those colors and I'm just gonna put them on my neck. Just okay, so next I'm gonna take this blue color right here and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this green and maybe some of this white. So I'm gonna take this Luna highlighter in Calypso. It's really pretty. It's like this purple right here. Then I'm gonna take that brush again and I'm just gonna kind of put pink right here. Just gonna take a little bit of that lavender color and maybe put it up here because I don't want to have skin, you know, I'm a skull. I am going to now put on some lashes and put on some eyeliner and then I'll be right back to put on all the fun glitter. So I have a bunch of really fun little glitter. I have these little gems from, I think it's Riley Rose, and I also got the Gypsy Shrine Iridescent Diamond Cosmetic Glitter to make you sparkle at thegypsyshrine.com. I got both of these at Riley Rose, and then I went to Target and I got these stars, these glitter shaped stars. They look like that. And then I also got these little stars also from Target. So we're gonna put all these on our bodies. I'm just gonna use my Too Faced glitter glue. This is a highlighter kind of. I'm gonna put it here and then I'm also gonna put it right here. Other side now. Then I'm gonna do my lips with these rhinestones. So I'm just gonna take actually eyelash glue. I'm just gonna take the Kiss eyelash glue with aloe vera. I'm going to take some of those little stars. So I'm just gonna keep this side pretty basic. I just kind of want to like mostly bedazzle this side. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween tutorial. I had an amazing time filming it. I love how it turned out. I think it looks so good. I just think it's like the really fun like skull look, and yeah. I hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween, and if you want to see more Halloween tutorials, please give this a thumbs up. And if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!